Here we go, another river adventure. We've been here for about, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes, and I didn't think to videotape the monkey. I usually don't have my phone. Anyway, you know who this is for. Oh shit, I can't see nothing. I hope I got her. My lens is all cracked up. Broke my phone, man. Brand new, first day. Got one on order, but it's from China. I'm sure it comes from China. So it's already been about a month. I might stop. I'm in I'm past Grants Pass. I'm in, outskirts of Grants Pass, Griffin Creek. $5 park here. Beautiful day, man. There's the world famous truck to do good work with. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know who I'm thanking. Both of you. Yeah, hopefully Monk, I'm getting her. Oh, look at, now down this river here, down around the bend and a bit, there's a whole nother side where I don't think you have to pay, but I don't know how you get to it. There's a store, I might stop and ask them. So if you get on the other side, man, it looks like, it's like this, but it's cooler. No park, no pay. I gave him $5 in change, pennies. The thing wouldn't even seal. I had to use some tape to close it up. But it's money. It all spent. Might have thrown an extra couple pennies just in case I made a mistake, because I was trying to get to the river quickly for the monkey. Come on, Monk. There's a pile of people down there. I think they're immigrants. They're all over, man. I think Oregon's taking them. Bringing them in. Oh, I smell skunk. Muggy! Yeah, skunk. Fresh. Come on. Don't make me look stupid on the phone. Or the camera. She thinks she's hunting at Come on. Hey! What are you doing, you crazy girl? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She's the little hunter. No, come on. Berry bushes. And ticks. We don't want any of that. I got tick medicine, but I didn't stop giving it to her. I'm hoping she don't need it for the rest of the season. Save it for summer. What are you doing? Get him. Get him. Get him. She goes, no, I'm going to sniff and wag my tail. When she does come up on something, she jumps back and startles, which is funny. She gets all scared. Then she goes right back to it. Like I said in the previous video, or talking to you, I can't remember, man. Took her to this one spot. The squirrel, man, should have went left, but it went right. Monkey got it. Before I had my knee operation. And so I hobbled over there, saved a squirrel. She had it in its mouth and it was squeaking. Okay, I'm trying to do a good job here because we're getting ready to wrap this up. I got a couple towels, clean her up with the sand, and then I'll dry her off with the other towel. It seems to work out, man. Better have sand in all those rocks. See all those rocks? I guess she's in there. She's hunting. She does that everywhere she goes, man. I'd like to get her one more time in the agua. She's chewing bark off that tree they cut. I guess she was frustrated. She thinks there's something there. She's been there going on and off when she takes a water break. Stickers. But her tail always wags, so I can't. I think she's up. Stickers. Blackberry. Up. Blackberry, come on. Come on. Come on. Bring that folding chair. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see anything. I think you can see it. Once again, look at this beautiful day. Beautiful out here. I think when I move on, I'll definitely miss this part of it. Glad I got something to do with years of it. Hunting season coming up too. I don't hunt anymore. But starts the first weekend of October, which I think the last weekend in September. It depends when it falls on. There she goes. I know there's people over there too. I hate talking like that on the phone, on the camera, man. You guys have me like I'm a daddy and shit. Oops and stuff. Muggy. Okay. Muggy, here comes the boat. Muggy.